Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the brightness control functions key are not working properly or functioning on your computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to press Windows key and R on your keyboard. So kailangan mo lang pagsabayin yung Windows logo plus letter R. And then pop up itong run. Okay? So dito lang sa box ay kailangan natin i-enter tong command keyword na to na msdt.exe space dash id space device diagnostic. So copy lang natin yan. And then kailangan lang natin i-paste dito. Right? And then next, i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And then makikita mo dito yung hardware and devices. So troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Okay, so ang next step, so kailangan mo lang i-click tong advance. And then kailangan naka-check tong apply repairs automatically. So once na-check mo na yung box, and then next, click mo lang tong next dito sa baba. So click mo lang yan. And then wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic procedure. Okay, so makikita mo na dito mga kaibigan na select device to troubleshoots. Alright, so after dito and then close lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa start menu, so right click ka lang. And then kailangan mo lang select dito yung device manager. And then dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung keyboards. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-click tong arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then dito ay kailangan lang i-update tong kanyang driver. So select lang natin tong HID keyboard device. So select mo lang siya and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then kailangan mo i-select dito yung update driver. And then pop up ang dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung search automatically for drivers and then tap mo lang yan. And then wait natin. So makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. So ang next step, so close lang natin itong device manager. And then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix brightness control functions keys not working in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.